Welcome to this Gcse Welsh Bacc student support screencast for the individual project. This video focuses on completing your bibliography. First, what is a bibliography? Essentially, it is a list of the websites or documents that you used for your secondary research. So all of your research, all the sources that you used need to be documented. So how do you be successful in this? So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you will update this as you progress through your individual project. Now, what we mean by this is as you find a website that you have found useful or you think you're going to use or has influenced your opinion, just paste the link into the bibliography. Now, this is located right at the end of your project, but it's just a really good way to track all of your sources. You need to copy and paste the URL link into that part. Okay, the example later on in this video will show you how that will look. For each link, you just need to give a short title explaining what it is, because obviously a URL link is a combination of words and numbers and slashes, and it doesn't quite make sense. So adding a little title really helps yourself and also anyone reading your project. And finally, use the amount of sources required to achieve your target grade, which we'll explain in the next. As guidance then, for your bibliography, you need to be using 3 to 5 secondary sources to achieve an A star, A or B. Obviously, many students use more sources than that, but that is the guidance that we like to give. What this means is there are 3 to 5 reports or websites that you have quoted from, you've used their stats, you've used the information, and it's really informed your opinion and your research. For a C, it's a minimum of 3 sources that need to be considered, and for a pass, it's 1 to 3. Now, this is going to be a short video because we've just gone straight into the example. As you can see, the bibliography has got a title. It's located at the end of your project, and the bullet point there is the short title, and then you've got the link just below it. So Wellbeing Report 2019 from BITC, and you've got then the URL link. Just a reminder, if you want to copy the URL link, it's right click on your mouse and copy, or you can use keyboard copy, which is Control-C and then paste, Control-V. Exactly the same on the mouse. If you want to paste, it's right click and go to paste. You can see there are 5 sources there. I've used a range of sources just to show you what you might use. So you've got the first 3 are PDF reports, websites, and the final 2 are streaming websites. So you can see there's a YouTube documentary link that has been used, the second to last one. And then you've got BBC iPlayer documentary, again, right at the bottom. So I hope that really helps in regards to the types of sources that you use. Lots of people think, right, I have to go straight onto the websites and just get them on there, but there are different types of sources that you can use. Obviously, you can use books, magazines as well as your sources. Just simply do exactly the same, just state what the magazine is, and if you can find the other information at Gcse, who the author is and the date. But as I said, the vast majority of research these days takes place online, and it is even with online journals, there's lots of them available now, so that there isn't such the need to go and research for those individual books. Everything seems to happen online for research now. I hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.